We can set up our materials in microestimating by going to Libraries, Materials. We have a handful of default materials installed. You can choose to set up and include additional material names if you have additional descriptions that don't fit in the base categories. You'll notice that besides the names, there's a description and a material class, including pounds per cubic inch. If you have recent pricing, you can also enter your scrap value per pound and your average cost per pound. If you need to install additional materials, we have many already in the system. You can use Find to search for them. Along with these materials, we also have speeds and feeds for each. You can select the material you wish to view, click on SNF, and it'll list that material. You can view each of these by the operations. For example, a slot end mill. You can also choose by your class and your tool material. You can make global changes to these. Further, you can clone classes in case you want to create your own. And you can also clone tools to create your own tools.